Been a busy day, guys. I am tired. Thank you, Roger, for helping me. So here we are. Mom's coming home from the hospital, from the rehab hospital Friday. And we're building a wheelchair ramp. It'll make it much easier for her to get in and out of the house. Right here from the threshold here to the edge of the porch, we're going to have a ramp. And then it'll level out here. I'll have steps going out the front. Ramps going down this way. Another landing there. And then where that 2x8 is, it'll come back here somewhere. We ran out of time. Roger lives about 45 minutes away, so he left. So yeah, that's what we have here. I haven't even eaten yet today. I got a pizza steak that I got from Giovanni's. I'm gonna devour when I get done with this video here. I just wanted to show everybody what we got done today. I like to make these videos for my own self too. So yeah, this is expensive. I could have got away with shorter posts, but it is what it is. I'll use the other halves to build some flower boxes. I have to put flowers around it. I'm leaving the gap in here because I didn't want to have the railings coming up on the porch there. We'll put something down there to keep the weeds out. I dug all the flowers out of the flower bed over here and moved them. Yeah, posts are in the ground. I got this Harbor Freight Earthquake post hole auger. Works pretty good, but I could smell burning plastic after I shut it off. That thing will beat you up if you're not careful. So yeah, that's where we have it. We're going to have the other ramp's going to come out here and then come here to the sidewalk. Oh, the steps aren't going to work there. Shoot, I didn't think of that. Oh, maybe they will. Yeah, it'll be over there. Hopefully. We'll see. I didn't think of that. That's why I wanted to make that a bit longer. That's 10 feet. Your landings are supposed to be 5 foot. So this landing's 5 foot by 5 foot. That landing's 5 foot by 10 foot. We got stuff in the truck yet. I got a hitch extender from me. I got a bed extender that fits in my hitch for my truck. There's 10 bags of concrete mix in there. Some more lumber we needed. I didn't even buy the decking yet. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So yeah, the boards are going to go up over here, and then the ramp's going to come even with the boards. So it'll be 1 inch off of this concrete, working up to that 8-inch threshold there. This is the temporary thing I had built when Mom was in the hospital in February, but you know, she might need a wheelchair to go up in and out of the house. So that's what we're doing. So there you go. Very expensive. That bucket of screws was $120. It's very expensive. So yeah, there we have it. You can see the trees are down. Once the stumps are ground off, then I'll work on a new sidewalk. No sense in doing anything till then, because you can see the ground's higher there. I was going to bring the ramp out that way, but I thought, you know what, this is probably better. I got to move this little pine tree yet. If it survived, I don't know. Got all the flowers shoved over here. Garden's a mess. I got to get planting this week. But yeah, Mom's coming home Friday, so I got to get my butt in gear. Definitely. So yeah, that's where we're at. Alright, guys. Just wanted to give you that update. And everybody take care. Keep praying for my mom. She needs it. She's in there now. She's got a cold or something they've been giving her. I don't know. It's not a cold. She's got some kind of... She's coughing a lot. And they're giving her antibiotics and breathing treatments. So I'm hoping that clears up before she comes home. So this is where we're at. I'll let you go. And you guys take care and God bless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'd love to have more subscribers. And you take care and God bless. Bye.